We have 4 individual seats, wrapping each passenger in first-class comfort. However, notice the driver's seat standing out with its own unique color and material treatment. It's a whole new level of performance, with its instant torque and acceleration. We imagine the feeling of being in control of an unstoppable force of nature. The cockpit is driver-centric, focused on the road ahead, yet feels open and allows for interaction with the passenger. The instrument panel contrasts the sensually flowing glass surface with the digital precision and functionality of the screen underneath. And of course, we carefully considered the experience of all passengers. Swiveling chairs add a welcoming gesture while entering the QS Inspiration, and once inside, passengers can sit back, relax, stretch their legs, and find themselves in a natural position to engage and interact with each other.
Infiniti. Empower the drive.